At GSE, we help our customers, the printers, to future-proof the ink workflow. Lean is a strategy for the continuous improvement of your processes and also to reduce waste and maximize value you offer to your customers. Smart Industry or Industry 4.0 is all about automation and digitization of your processes. We have developed a roadmap to implement lean and smart ink management with 4 steps. And the first step is automated ink dispensing and ink management. The second step is color management. The third is proofing, and the last step is business process integration. And we have a flowchart in which all those 4 steps are integrated. GSE's mission is to reduce the environmental impact of inks and ink-related resources. And that's why we find it important that also flexible packaging printers make the move, the change from solvent-based inks to water-based inks. At GSE, we find it important to reduce the waste of inks. That's why it's also good to have a look at your plate design.